Now we have the shortcut technique for the commercial mathematics. Like we have the topic profit and loss. Profit or loss percent. We have derived so many methods to get the answer of question based on profit and loss. Suppose we have a person sells 10 items and cost price of 10 item is equal to selling price of 8 items. Find profit or loss percent. We have derived a very short technique to get the answer of such questions. What is that technique? You take this is x and this is y. In case we have x greater than y, this implies we have the profit. So how to get the profit of such question? Very simple, x minus y divided by y into 100. Within a second we can get the answer of this question. Right? We put the respective value. What is x here? X is 10, y is 8 and divided by y 8 into 100. So that will be coming 2 by 8 into 100. So that will be 25% in this transaction. If we sell the 10 item, that is cost price of 10 item is equal to selling price of 8 item, my question is find profit or loss percent. In this commercial mathematics type questions, what we have to do, we have to write always cost price on the left hand side, selling price on the right hand side. We check x should be greater than y, always there is a profit. How to calculate the profit percent? So that is coming to by x minus y divided by y into 100. Put the respective value of x and y, we will be getting the profit percentage. Suppose in case x is less than y, so what we do here? If x is less than y, in that case we have the loss. Loss percent will be y minus x divided by y into 100. So that is the easiest way to calculate such type of the questions in a commercial mathematics. Another questions based on the commercial maths is, suppose a shopkeeper sells the item and he claims that I am selling item at its cost price, but uses false weight, that is 950 gram instead of 1 kg. Find his profit percent. Find his profit percent. We have the very easy way to calculate the answer of such question, that is within a second we get the answer. Error in the weight divided by tempered weight into 100. So what is the error? We are giving 950 gram instead of 1 kg. There is a difference error in a 50 gram. Tempered weight, that is 950 gram into 100. We simplify it, so that is we will get the answer. This is a percentage, this is profit. So this is the easy way to calculate such questions. Error divided by the tempered weight into 100. He is having the error of 50 gram. 950 is the total weight. Into 100 means we are calculating the percentage. This is the way to get the answer of such questions. When shopkeeper claims that he is selling the item at the cost price, but he is cheating using 950 gram instead of 1 kg. So this way we can get the answer.